Motag bilan mo? Tatlo na yan. Ito dami talaga. Nag-stick na nila. Expert S.
Akin ang photo mo, nagkakapit na photo?
Dewa!
Kuya! Ana!
So in this activity, you're able to
What is this?
you're able to achieve teamwork, creativity, communication, cooperation among your group. But the real moral lesson of these activities, you can force back the toothpaste on the food kasi panel. Like in real life situation, once nga dali bagay sa taon, pati yung food mabawi din kayo. Sila maaaring dali dito, lang i-avoid kayo or kung ang pagkalit niya nakasama.
Nagwapo ka. Sorry. Kasi babawi. Wow!